कभी तो सुबह चावल खाते नहीं देखा। वो तो मुझे पता है मैं गलत खाता हूँ।
In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 daily foods that you are eating the wrong way, because of which even after having such a good Indian diet, most of us are facing health problems. We will also clearly discuss when and how you should eat these foods so that you can get the maximum benefit. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 5 on the list is dal. Indian food is incomplete without dal, and rightly so. Rich in protein, iron, folate, fiber and many other essential micronutrients, lentils not only give strength to the body but are also a natural multivitamin food. Studies have shown that eating dals keeps your blood sugars low and digestive system robust. However, contrarily, often people experience gas and bloating after eating a bowl of dal. The reason lies in 3 mistakes that we make while preparing dal. First is that we don't soak it. Yes, we do soak whole lentils, but we avoid soaking the split ones because their cooking time is anyway less. This is a mistake. Any lentil, whole or split, should invariably be soaked. Modern studies have shown that when you soak the lentils, they not only become easier to digest, but also the absorption of their nutrients becomes smooth. Where whole lentils require a minimum of 4 to 6 hours of soaking, you can soak split ones for at least 2 to 3 hours. Secondly, people throw away the water in which the dal was soaked and use fresh water to cook the dal. Never make this mistake. When dal is soaked, it dissociates its nutrients into the water. Draining that water means that you are actually throwing out nutrition. This is one reason why people in India face nutritional deficiencies even after eating dal almost daily. The right way of preparing dal is to first wash it properly so that any dirt and grime is washed away. Then soak it in as much water as is required to cook the dal. Cover it and after a few hours, place the pot directly on flame. Third mistake that people make is that they eat only 1 or 2 varieties of lentils. Note that the more variety of dals we eat, lesser the chances of nutritional deficiencies. Also, if dals make you feel gassy, then you probably are missing out on adding carminative spices like hing, ginger and bay leaf while tempering the dals. The beauty of dal is that if you combine it with rice or roti, the overall meal becomes a complete source of protein, having all the 9 essential amino acids. So if you want to get the maximum benefit from this superfood, make and eat them the right way. At number 4 are cashews. If cashew is your go-to choice when offered a dry fruit tray, then don't think twice. Studies have proven that people who regularly eat cashews have low cholesterol and lower blood sugar. But unknowingly, a majority of people eat cashews the wrong way. Cashews are nutritionally dense, but if you eat them raw, you will miss out on its amazing benefits. That's because cashews have highest anti-nutrients among nuts. Anti-nutrients bind with other vital nutrients and prevent their absorption, which is why even after eating cashews, you don't get their benefits. Basically, there are 2 ways to get these anti-nutrients out. One is soaking and the other is roasting. When cashews are soaked in water, they give out these anti-nutrients, so you should discard the water. Modern studies have shown that after cashew is roasted, not only its nutrients get easily absorbed by the body, but also the antioxidants in the cashews increase. Cashews are often linked to weight gain, although studies suggest otherwise. Why is that? That's because a majority of people eat way too many cashews in one serving. Blame it on their taste, but if you eat more than 7 to 8 cashews, you are inviting body fat, mouth ulcers, constipation, skin rashes and other body heat problems. Keep in mind that when it comes to cashews, less is more. According to Ayurveda, if cashews are eaten dry roasted without salt, they help lose weight. If roasted in oil or boiled in milk, they are effective in weight gain. So eat them soaked or roasted and try to savor their nutty taste. Next on the list is mixed fruit chaat. Mixed fruit chaat seems like a healthy snack. It's tasty and gives you diverse nutrition. Well, it's just not right. Simply because our body secretes different enzymes for the digestion of different varieties of fruits. Take banana and orange as an example. Banana is sweet and starchy, while orange is citric and tangy. Both not only require different enzymes, but even their rates of digestion are not same. Now, if you mix these two, you are confusing the system. This is one reason people feel gassy after eating mixed fruit chaat. Ayurveda is firm that melons like watermelon and muskmelon are best eaten alone as they are digested rapidly than other fruits. Of course, one can mix a citrus fruit with a citrus fruit or a sweet fruit with another sweet fruit, but to avoid the complexity, it is best that we eat one fruit at a time. A fruit a day keeps many problems at bay, provided you don't mix them. Next is rice. 50% of Indian population eats rice on a daily basis. Rice is light on the system, it's gluten-free and has many essential micronutrients. But often people make one mistake while cooking rice which devoids them of rice's benefits. It's that they cook the rice in extra water and then drain off the excess water. No doubt the rice made like this doesn't stick to each other, but note that the extra water that was drained off is the most nutrient dense part of rice. It is called rice mand in Ayurveda and is used as medicine in various health problems. So the next time you prepare rice, wash it thoroughly and then add the required quantity of water for cooking. Keep it soaked for a few hours and then cook it. Only in case you are diabetic, you can separate the extra starchy water and then use that water in other ways. Last but not the least are seeds. The seeds of flax, pumpkin, sesame, sunflower and chia are all an excellent source of healthy fats. They are rich in fiber, protein and antioxidants. Studies suggest that seeds, if taken the right way, are a medicine for your liver. But often people make two mistakes while eating them, which is why forget benefits. Seeds cause allergic reactions like headache, skin problems and abdominal pain. Do you open a packet of seeds and hop on them directly? Never do that. Seeds, if eaten raw, are a waste for the body. You should either roast them or soak them. Discard the water in which they were soaked. Secondly, the recommended dose of seeds is not more than 25 grams per day, which is roughly 2 tablespoons. If you eat too many seeds, it can cause severe allergic reactions in the body. Seeds after roasting can also be powdered, then added to chapati dough, rice, oatmeal and smoothies. But note that the shelf life of powdered seeds is not more than a week. So it's best to freshly ground them as and when required. There is no doubt seeds are boon for health provided you eat them the right way. So these were those 5 foods which I felt a majority of us are eating the wrong way on a daily basis. Knowing the benefits of a food is one thing, but eating the way it is meant to be eaten is a different story altogether. This is one thing Ayurveda presses on. If you think this video was helpful, do give it a like. And if you are looking for a genuine hair oil, check out True Hair Oil. It's special because True Hair comes with True Heater. Of course, we all know that if we apply warm oil on the scalp, it works much better. Although we often feel lazy to warm it. And if it gets too hot, then it's again a problem. Its solution is True Hair Oil that comes with True Heater. It heats the oil until 65 degrees and then automatically turns off. It takes about 4 minutes and you get a clear signal as the light flashes off. This is an intelligent product using which you can get the benefit of 13 Ayurvedic herbs without any hassle. It has an onion variant as well. All are 100% natural with 0% LLP. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Don't forget to apply the special discount coupon through which you will get an additional 5% off. There are 5 foods which you should never eat in breakfast. To find out, check out this video. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.